the industry's changing just through demand. The current demand is to take a lot of older equipment and optimize it, modernize it, get higher throughputs, and make it safer. There's a lot of systems that we encounter that were designed in the 60s and 70s that need to be brought to today's standards and meet today's demands for higher tonnage, higher speed. So the conveyor industry is real exciting at this point. The right times when the asset's devalued or it is costing too much to maintain, and that's a real clear line that we can collaborate and work with our customers to determine when that upgrade's necessary and what the future looks like as we modernize and continue to build for higher tonnage, higher speed applications. In today's mining world, it's a lot different than what we're replacing, and these need to be considerations when we look at value versus price. Through project execution, we can work together to find what is of value, right? Each mine has different values, and what they need at one mine may be quite different from another one, but that's the areas where we can bring our expertise together, explain what's worked in some areas and what hasn't, and when many other mines have upgraded their equipment to newer solutions.